Look who's here. The Super Bowl on the stock market, named by Michael Lee. All right, Michael, I want to get straight into this prediction of yours that there's going to be a huge jump in second quarter profits. Well, we're in the second quarter right now. How much are profits going up according to your estimation?
So, hey, Charles, it's not Charles. Sorry, Stuart. So it's not so much my estimation, it's versus the Wall Street analyst estimates. So on December 31st, the analyst estimates for the first quarter earnings were 15%, and they came in at 52%. On March 31st, analyst estimates were for 52% gain for the second quarter, 52%. Now that number's already jumped to 62%. So I'd say the estimates for the third quarter of 23% and 18% for the fourth quarter are simply too low, and those numbers are going to continue to go up. For the last 14, 15 months, we've had an awful economy for many small business, not so much for the largest companies, the biggest businesses in the world. So those large companies, by and large, drive the major indices. Those companies are absolutely killing it. Think your Amazons, your Microsofts, your Facebooks, your Googles. These companies are having a tremendous time throughout the pandemic. They've dramatically increased their market share, and I believe analyst estimates are simply too low going in for the rest of the year.
Okay, you got a huge jump in second quarter profits. That's your forecast. Give me a level for the S&P 500. 4,200 now. Where do you think it's going? Dow, 34.4 now. Where's it going?
So I'd see a 4,600 target for the S&P 500 by the end of the year, and I could easily see the Dow getting to 37.5. So I think there's a lot of runway to go for the major market indices. At some point, this is going to slow down, and we're going to have a tremendous profit growth, say next year, and have low returns. But we are not there yet. We are in an improving economy, and that rate of change is slowing. I think much of the inflation that we're seeing, I think the Fed is right. They use the word transitory, which I think is a stupid word. It's temporary. Some prices are going to stay higher for longer, but that's what happens in an economic expansion. But the rate of change is going to slow, and the money printing is going to continue, and big business has taken a tremendous amount of market share that they're not going to give up for a long period of time.
Well, you heard it right there. Michael Lee's Super Bowl, just as the stock market opens this Tuesday morning, June 15th. Here we go. We're off and running to the upside. We have